How to view campaign stats in Instantly.ai. Viewing your campaign stats in Instantly.ai is the easiest way to track performance and see what's working in your outreach. After logging in, head over to the Campaigns tab and select the specific campaign you want to check. Here, you'll see details analytics like how many emails were sent, how many were opened, your click-through rates, replies, bounces, and even positive or negative responses. You can filter results by date, ranges, or view overall performance to spot trends. If you noticed high open rates but low replies, it might your subject lines are strong, but your message needs refining. On the other hand, if bounce rates are high, that's a sign your list needs cleaning or your sending domains needs better authentication. By regularly reviewing these stats, you can quickly identify weak points, test new approaches, and optimize your Instantly.ai campaigns for better deliverability and high engagement. So that's it.